Is everything look good?
Nope, just 1 second. The
Gotcha.
screen was jumping around. I marked the wrong person. Let me get your teammates in there too. One moment.
Takes everybody time to walk up to the stage.
Yeah, he's walking
Exactly.
up to the stage. Okay.
I'm walking slowly, so.
And a spotlight. The screen keeps jumping around, so it messed me up. So go ahead, you're ready.
Is it good? Okay. Oh, thank you, Thelma. So, good morning, everyone. I just want to start by saying that we are truly grateful for this opportunity to be part of this incredible event. Thank you so much for having us. Okay, first, I'm going to introduce the team. My name is Aliyah. I am a project manager at Tyler, Hawaii. Today, I'm here with my co-workers, Zen Fang, Director of Development, and Kevin Cavell, QA Analyst. Okay, so who is Tyler, Hawaii? Our company, Tyler, Hawaii, is part of a division under Tyler Technologies. We have a dedicated local team that designs and develops online solutions to enable citizens to conduct business 24/7 with the counties and the state of Hawaii. For over 20 years, we have served as the state's internet portal manager, creating more than 150 digital government solutions for our state partners. This marks our 6th year as a sponsor for Hack, and we are very excited to participate once again. Now I'll hand it over to Kevin, who will provide a deeper understanding of our challenge and how it affects so many people today. Go ahead, Kevin.
Thank you, Aaliyah. Hi, everyone. I'm Kevin, and I am a QA analyst at Tyler, Hawaii. So first and foremost, we all have been through the motion of having a question and then looking online to get an answer. So now I want you to imagine that, let's say you're planning on visiting a neighbor island. Let's take the Big Island as an example. It's your first time going there, and a thought comes into your mind thinking, what are the best hikes that I can go on while visiting the island? Likely, your first thought is to Google best hikes on the Big Island, right? So once you click search, it'll bring up a plethora of suggested sites, as shown here. And sure, you can go through each one and read through them, but in the end, it probably will take a good chunk of your time. Another thing to consider is what if each site has a different consensus of what the best hikes are? Now you're just left thinking which ones are really the best according to the majority. With that, you delve further down the rabbit hole, researching more information in order to gauge what you think could be a good hike that you would enjoy. You continue to read through each site, and yes, perhaps you eventually reach the goal, the answer that you're looking for, but it probably took a while to reach that point. So going further, in this digital age where vast amounts of information are continuously generated and consumed online, the problem is that it starts to become difficult to pinpoint the specific information that you're looking for. With that in mind, now I want you to focus on Hawaii. This challenge is particularly relevant to those seeking information about Hawaii, whether it be local residents, visitors, and really anyone with an interest in the Hawaiian Islands. Whether they're looking for information about hiking, camping, or information about the state agencies. So instead of exploring pages of content, there has to be a better way to find information more effectively, accurately, and efficiently. So looking at this page, these are just some examples of places where you can obtain information pertaining to Hawaii. Take the hawaii.gov site as an example, where you can search into the search bar, and once you click search, it will show you a display of content only pertaining to Hawaii, similar to how Google and Yahoo work. However, the issue is that you can potentially end up being bombarded with an overwhelming amount of web pages to choose from. Similar to that, looking at some core examples of traditional chatbots here, you can see that they are more catered towards assisting with simple queries. And usually, as you can see, they have a set amount of options that you can choose from. As a result, it lacks the flexibility to tackle more complex interactions and inquiries. As we start to realize there's just such an abundance of information online to sift through that it can become a daunting and tedious task. So now the question is, what if there was a way to use AI to help streamline the process of finding information online, particularly relating to Hawaii? Now, with all of that in mind, I'll toss it back over to Aaliyah to describe the goal of the challenge.
Thank you, Kevin. So now I'd like to discuss the goal of this challenge. Our objective is to instantly address routine queries and provide 24/7 user support through a generative AI chatbot. This chatbot utilizes artificial intelligence to engage users in natural language, dynamically creating responses based on the context of the conversation. By implementing this solution, we will enhance the user experience, burst engagement, improve operational efficiency, and reduce overall support costs. Now I'll hand it over to Zen, who will provide more details on the solution and its requirements.
Thanks, Aria. This is Zen. So our solution is to develop a generative AI chatbot specifically designed to assist the users to efficiently find information across Hawaii government website. The chatbot will utilize the cutting-edge AI technology to understand user inquiry and retrieve the most relevant information. It will allow users to engage in a natural conversation, providing quick answers to questions, reducing search time. The chatbot should communicate with one of the generative AI products API to provide answers in a session. As we know, there's quite a few Gen AI product out there. The challenger needed to pick one of them and to meet the requirement we described below. The next page. So the solution will be built as a website application, making it easily accessible across a wide range of device and the platform with 24/7 availabilities. Additionally, we prioritize the accessibility, ensure that the chatbot is usable by everyone, including those with disabilities. Paired with a responsive design, the chatbot will work seamlessly across various device types, whether users are on mobile, tablet, or desktops. To enhance users' experience, the chatbot will need to maintain conversation state, allowing users to pick up where they left off without losing context. The technology stack for this product we suggest is the Node.js as the backend and HTML front end, which ensures flexibility and robustness in development. Next requirement will be any data should be retrieved from the government agency website in the state of Hawaii. So as a starter, we require from the state portal main website, hawaii.gov, as well as the county's main website, like hawaiicounty.gov, hawaii.gov, honolulu.gov, and mauicounty.gov. But the list can be added on in the future. So those domain lists should be in a property file instead of hard code. Finally, multi-language support is an optional but valuable feature that would allow the chatbot to serve a diverse audience, catering to users who speak a different language. Now I'm get back to Alia. Thank you.
Thank you, Zen. So I want to conclude this presentation by saying mahalo for letting us present the challenge today. And if you have any questions, please free to contact us through the Slack channel, C-Tyler-AI-Concierge. Thank you.
Great job, Aaliyah and team. I'd just like to say we'd like to thank Tyler Hawaii for being a wonderful sponsor these past couple of years. As sponsors, they've created mentoring programs for high school students, even created paid internships for the summer for high school students. So, there's lots of opportunities, and Tyler Hawaii has been such a great sponsor. So thank you so much.